I gave you all of me, but I guess your love was for them streets, boy, cause I gave you all of me, but I guess your love.
Hey dolls, welcome back to the Dollhouse. If you are new, welcome. My name is Caitlin. Hi, nice to meet you. Don't forget to hit that red button down below and subscribe to join the gang. So yeah, as you can tell by the title of this video, today will be a hair review. This is a very special hair review because the hair I am reviewing today is from my hair company. Yes, you heard it right. I started a hair company. It's been in business for about 2 weeks now, and I am beyond excited. I'm not sure if I will be doing any more hair reviews on my channel, only because, you know, I'm trying to promote my business and my business only. So enough talking. I'm going to show you guys the hair I do have in 18-inch frontal, 18-inch bundle, 20 and 22 inches. And this is the straights. It has a little curls in it because I wanted to give it like some movement, some body. But yeah, the hair is really soft. I haven't had any problems with any shedding or tangling. I have a website up for you guys to purchase, and that website will also have reviews from people who have bought my hair. Because literally when I announced it, everybody supported me so much, and I'm so glad and so thankful for all the support. I literally think I have 6 bundles left and 2 closures. So yeah, like I said, I will leave my email down below. If you would like those, go ahead and shoot me an email. I will also have pricing and basically a website up. Either, if not today, I will have it up tomorrow for sure. So far, like I said, so far so good. This is a sew-in. I did get the hair sewn in so I can keep it in for 1 to 3 months so I can actually get the longevity of the hair. I think I'm actually going to do a curling wand video for you guys so you can see how it curls. And I will be, of course, coloring it, testing out how it colors, and everything else. So yeah, stick with me through this journey like you guys have stuck with me this far. Good, here is a up close. The ends, like I said, I did curl it just a little bit. I bumped it just a little bit. The lace comes pre-plucked. It's not bleached, but if you order a wig, you'll get it pre-plucked, you'll get it bleached and ready to wear, baby hairs and all. The lace is transparent. So yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. This is like a show and tell. I just wanted to have a huge announcement and basically tell you guys what I have in store. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, but I know you did. And thanks for watching.